Welcome. Over the next hour, we're going to show you the complete process, tracing the journey of this incredible material from the ostrich farm all the way to our luxury bags and jackets.
Feathers are clear, no signs of external parasites.
Noted.
Legs and feet look strong, good muscle tone.
Inputting now. Ostrich appears healthy.
All right, easy on the scale. What's the reading?
104.55 kilograms, tagging for batch C.
Keep them steady, almost there.
He's secure. Label applied.
Reading the QR code now, looks good.
Manifest updated. That's batch 7.
Confirmed. Set it down right there.
All right, bring it back a little.
Is that good?
Yeah, now lower it onto the jack.
Scan complete on pallet 7.
Ostrich-Leather, registered.
This large tan one goes in the medium pile.
Okay, I'll take the gray hide over to the large pattern stack.
Okay, that's 75 pounds grade A from the Texas farm.
Got it. 75, grade A, confirmed.
Right here, see the quill cluster?
Yes, definitely a stain underneath too.
Noted. I'll add the coordinates to the report now.
The pH level on drum 7 is fluctuating.
I see that. Adjusting the additive flow now should stabilize the rotation speed.
Right at the limit there.
I have it logged as 9.2. Moving to the next section.
We have a spike in moisture retention near the follicle grid.
Adjust the UV calibration immediately. We can't risk desiccation. %15.2% on the west roll.
Got it, logging now.
The tensile strength on this batch seems slightly low.
Yes, I noted that. Let's check the drying temperature logs for the past week.
Look at how the crimson is taking to the follicles here.
It's perfect. Let's finish the blue mixture and compare them. Almost there on the classic tan ostrich leather. The deep black ostrich leather is set.
The saturation levels are peaking right here, confirming the even distribution we wanted.
Agreed. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Look at the variation right here. It's much greener than the swatch.
I see it. It won't pass inspection.
Let's check the next hide.
Looks good.
Confirmed. Passing the blue lot.
way it beads up. Yes, completely resistant. I am noting the high performance rating now.
Everything looks good here. The tensile strength is well with eye tolerance.
Confirmed on the material analysis, passing export grade.
Excellent. Let's move on to the next shipment.
Watch the clearance on the right. Perfect. Next one goes to the blue line.
Look at the turbidity levels here.
We're initiating the polymer flush now.
Notifying the main plant.
Look at that unique pattern. It's exquisite.
Truly a work of art. The craftsmanship is superb.
We are very proud that our Ostrich-Leather products are produced ethically and under the strictest quality control standards.
Here is your handbag, sir. Thank you for shopping with us.
It's beautiful.
prioritize ethical ostrich farming. Our sustainable processes and strict quality control ensure the finest leather.
From our commitment to environmental responsibility at the farm level through meticulous craftsmanship, we ensure the complete journey